In this video, I will share with you guys step by step how I made $10,211 in commission with affiliate marketing just in 13 days in this month. From the first day of this month of July until the day 13 of this month. I made $10,211. This is my commission. This is my clicks, my CTR, people who paid for this service using my affiliate link, and they made this commission just by using free traffic from YouTube. In today's video, I want to share all my methods, all my strategies, new services that I'm promoting on YouTube to earn commission, and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss these new methods, and let's get started. So this is my affiliate account dashboard, guys. It's not screenshot like other people sharing with you. I can click here. I have my dashboard. I have marketing tools, reports, payments, post back, sub affiliate. You can see that. I can scroll down, and even my ID is here. I don't have to show that, but that's fine, just to show you it's not screenshot like other people sharing with you. So let's get started anyway. For people who are interested to make money with affiliate marketing using free traffic, step number one, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do is you just need to use your email address, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just click over here on affiliates, okay? And you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. So you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commission. So what you will do next, just click over here on join now, okay? Click on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program, okay? And as you can see, guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. So just put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language, okay? If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, and that's it. It's super easy, guys. As you can see, anyone can sign up. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard, okay? All you have to do is you need to choose a good services that you will promote on YouTube to earn commission. And I will share with you guys one of my profitable service that I'm promoting on YouTube to earn a lot of commission. This service made me a lot of commission from YouTube, and I will share it with you for free in this video. I was promoting a lot of services, guys, and this is one of my profitable services, okay? So what I will do, I will go back to YouTube, okay? So just open your YouTube homepage like this. So since we are promoting our affiliate links on YouTube, so let me show you first why I choose YouTube. Because YouTube is the best traffic source for me. Guys, you don't know the potential of YouTube. So YouTube has 31 billion monthly visitors. Do you see how many people are using YouTube per month? It's 31 billion monthly visitors. That's a really big number. People every single day searching for specific services, specific topics, specific products on YouTube. Yes, just by using YouTube, because YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number one, YouTube is number two. So you should really know the potential of YouTube. So open your YouTube homepage like this, click on the search and ask question. I'm gonna ask, for example, how to run, let's say Google Ads. How to run Google Ads for, and here you go. You just need to ask question, and YouTube will give you the topics that people are searching for right now on YouTube. This is a report search prediction. It's not from me or from you. This is from YouTube. That's what people are searching for on YouTube right now. People are searching for how to run Google Ads for local business, how to run Google Ads for Shopify, how to run Google Ads for music video, how to run Google Ads for clients, and so on. So what I will do, I will go back to my home page on Fiverr. I will go back to my Fiverr homepage like this. I will click on the search and I will search for Google Ads services. I will promote services related to what people are searching for, okay? So I can get commission. You cannot promote any services or just services that you like or that you think it's gonna work. It doesn't work like that. Use YouTube search to find services that people are searching for, okay? So you will promote services related to those topics that people are searching for on YouTube. I want you to pay attention in this step, okay? Always choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews, because people, they will check your affiliate link, they will click on your affiliate link. If they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. If you didn't choose good sellers, people will not buy those services from you and you will not earn any commissions. Okay, so let's choose one to show you. So let me see if we can find good seller. Here we have you can choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews, and so on. Okay, I'm gonna choose, so this is quick delivery, top quality. Those sellers are good sellers. For example, like this one is level 2 seller and he has a lot of reviews, almost 5-star. So I will choose this one. Okay, so let's choose this one. I will click on his service like this. So just click on his service, okay, and you will be, let me show you, you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page, okay, like this. So all you have to do is you just need, so let me see, yes, you just need to copy the link of his profile page on Fiverr. Copy the link of this seller profile page, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here. You have your dashboard, you have marketing tools, and you have reports. Click on marketing tools. Click on default and deep links, okay? And you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do now is you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Before we do that, we need a YouTube video that we will use to promote this affiliate link. So we will go back to this seller profile page. We will click over here on more. We will scroll down. Okay, and we will go over here to about this gig and we will click over here on more. And we will scroll down and we will click over here on his video, okay, like this. So just click on his video. This seller has a video. Let's check. So as you can see, his video explaining his service to his customers, okay, who want to run Google Ads for their businesses to get more clicks, maybe more sales, more customers, and so on. Okay, so what you will do, let me show you. You will double click on this video and click over here on save video. Okay, you need to save this video to your laptop. I'm gonna name it Google Ads, for example, Google Ads video. Click on save. After you finish, go to Google, search for Canva like this. It's super easy, guys. Okay, it's really easy and simple. You don't need to invest any money in this business. So all you have to do is you just need to click on the first link of Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, Canva is for free, guys. Okay, I'm gonna make this one like this. So just click over here on upload, click on upload file. Okay, click on upload file and upload this video about Google Ads service like this. So your video will be over here in your Canva account. Click on your video and your video will be over here like this. Click over here on this 3 points and click on set video as background, and here you go. That's it. What you will do next, you will click on text, scroll down, choose which text style you want to use. For example, let's see, I'm gonna use, just choose good text who will be clear and good. Okay, I'm gonna choose, let me see, I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna choose this one. I think this one is good. Okay, so just click on the text style that you want to use. I will delete the second one and they will keep using just this one. Okay, let me show you what you will do. I will decrease the font size of this text, and they will put this text here, and they will double click on this text and write this sentence: check link in my description. We will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description. Make this title over here like this. Okay, and click over here on elements, scroll down, go to shapes and choose this one, and click over here on color, choose black color, and put this shape here behind your text, so to make it clear. Let me show you. Okay, like this. Okay, you see now, it's now good. Check link in my description. People who will watch this video on YouTube, they will check our YouTube description. We will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description, and that's it. Let's see. Oh, that's really good. I'm gonna just remove the background music. Don't like it. It's just annoying. You can use good background music if you want, or you can just leave it like this. Let's check. Okay, so I need to make this one, I'm gonna make this one small. Okay, I'm gonna make it like this. Okay, it's now good. Let's check. Check link in my description. Okay, let me see. Okay, it's good, looking good now. No traffic. Yeah, that's good. So all you have to do is just need to click on share and click over here on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go to your YouTube channel, create a YouTube channel, open a YouTube channel. It's for free, it's easy. Use this title, how to run Google Ads, and that's it. Okay, just use this title like this, how to run Google Ads, in your title. Go to your YouTube description and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. So for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account and you have new account, you can't see this option Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. So just copy your affiliate link from here and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. And you can upload unlimited videos on YouTube. There is no limit. You can scale this business fast. You can upload like 10 videos per day, 20 videos per day, 7 videos per day, 50 videos per day. It's up to your work. It's depending on you. Start using YouTube, promote your affiliate links. The best traffic source for me is YouTube. I'm getting a lot of traffic from YouTube, and you guys don't know the potential of YouTube. If you stay consistent and you grow your YouTube channel, you can get so much traffic from YouTube search, from those topics. Okay, from here, and promote your affiliate links using traffic from YouTube search. Okay, that's the power of YouTube. You can get so much traffic for free. You need time to grow your YouTube channel. If you promote a lot and you stay consistent, you can grow fast. But if you promote just like 1 video per day, 2 videos per week, it's gonna take a little time to start seeing results. But if you promote a lot of videos per day, you can start seeing results from your first month. Okay, and that's it. And this commission, guys, by the way, this commission that I made over here, $10,211, it didn't come just from YouTube. Yes, YouTube is the best traffic source for me, but I'm using also Pinterest, I'm using Twitter, I'm using Facebook groups, I'm using Instagram Reels, I'm using TikTok, I'm using Google, and so much more. If you want to see more videos about all those traffic sources and the methods that I'm using for free, come and see this video, affiliate marketing, and they will start sharing with you guys a lot of new methods. Okay, and they didn't promote just one service. I'm promoting a lot of services, and in each video that I upload in my YouTube channel, it's not the same video. You should know that it's not the same video. I show, for people who are new to my YouTube channel, I show them how they can sign up, how they can start, and in each video I show you new service that it's profitable for me, that made me a lot of commission. Okay, so in each video it's new, you have new service that you should start promoting. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next videos.